Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you some of the tapes I got on my most recent splurge on Aliexpress. Some of these I got for myself, and others I'm going to be sharing with my little sister. Remember, if you see anything you like, they'll be down in the description. So with that, I hope you enjoy the video, and let's get into it. This first tape you might recognize from my most recent Pen Pal With Me video. I just couldn't stop myself from using it because it came a little bit early. But this gridded gray tape goes so good with any paper and with any washi and with any sticker. It's a little bit transparent, but I honestly kind of like it that way. The roll is really wide too, which is unique, and it gives a variance when you're working with other tapes. The box of this washi is almost as cute as the tape itself. As someone who loves gold and who loves pink, the geometric design of this washi tape really does both of those concepts justice. Honestly, all the tapes from Aliexpress are a little bit transparent, so that includes this one, but I still love it all the same. This next washi is the sister tape of the one I just showed. It has the same pink and gold decals with the white background. The honeycomb design is quite beautiful in my opinion, but honestly I love bees and I love nature, so this is a heaven-sent design. The only downside is that you have to peel it away from a non-adhesive surface before you can use it. It's not too bad, it just makes working with it a little bit harder. It's still my favorite out of the whole haul though. This tape is also one you might recognize. It was in my Take Notes With Me video. The gold design of it reminds me of ocean waves, and it's very peaceful. The gold on it is really shiny and metallic too, and it doesn't scratch off or wear down. Because it's gold and white, it goes with a lot of things, so I really like how versatile it is. The roll itself is also really thick, so you get a lot of washi tape at what I consider a bargain. Overall, I definitely recommend. The next tape keeps on with the gold and pink theme I seem to be running, but again, you can't really go wrong with something that's pink, white, and gold. It also has a really beautiful watercolor design, which you can see as I lay it down on the paper here. The roll itself is a little smaller, but I'm okay with that because of its nice design. Surprisingly, this tape has no gold in it, although it does have quite a bit of pink. The flower design on it is just so cute and lovely. I also like how it has green leaves incorporated into the design because it gives an interesting pop of color. My little sister picked out this next tape, as you can probably see by its really adorable corgi design. She loves dogs, and I love dogs, and if you don't love dogs, I am very concerned. As I roll it out here, you can see an army of corgis looking at you very eagerly. I actually taped it on the wrong way, so here I'm putting it on the other side, but we're okay, it's okay. There's also a lot of tape in this roll, so my sister will be lining her pages with corgis for as long as she writes letters. My sister also picked out this set of 3 pink tapes. There's an arrow, a chain link, and also some triangles. I was worried that they wouldn't stick well, but they actually stick great. While this shade of pink isn't something I would normally gravitate towards, I think they actually make it work, and you can't beat them for the price. This is another tape that has a watercolor design on it. It shifts color from green to blue to purple to sort of pinkish. The fact that it has so many different colors means that you can pair it with a lot of different papers. If functional diversity is a tape necessity for you, then this definitely checks that box. And finally, the last washi tape of the haul. This is another one that my little sister picked out. She's a purple fanatic, so it didn't surprise me when she reached for this. It has a really beautiful, whimsical design. It reminds me kind of fairy dust. Though it's not something I see myself using a lot, I can definitely appreciate its magical vibe. And that's all of the tapes I got from Aliexpress. Remember, if you saw anything you liked, I linked them all in the description down below. If you've made it this far in the video, then here are some examples of ways that I would use the tapes. I just paired them with themselves and a marker and some paper. The white pieces of paper say name on them because I was thinking these could be headers for some possible letters. And I will give my gratitude now as I clean up. So thank you guys so much for watching and for supporting my channel. I hope that you maybe found a tape that you liked or just got some inspiration in general. So with that, I'm sending you lots of love and thanks, and goodbye.